In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in New Mexico. Visit the New Mexico Secretary of State website. Go to the official Business Service section to access your LLC form and filing details. Select the correct form. Choose a statement of change of registered office or registered agent form if you're changing your registered office, or file an amendment if you're updating your principal and business address. Fill out the full form. Provide your LLC's legal name, current address, new address, and anything else that you want to update. Review information for accuracy. Double check all the entries to avoid errors that could help delay the process. Submit the form with the filing fee. File a completed form online or by mail, then pay the filing fee to the Secretary of State. Update your external records. After approval, update your new address with the IRS, banks, licensing authorities, and any other business partners you may have. Now you know how to change your LLC address in New Mexico. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.